Ooh,
Going down.
nice cab. And there goes the fan.
Oh, this totally replaced something.
250 Cambridge Avenue, Palo Alto. Inspected 2021.
Garage 1.
Going up.
Going up. Third floor. Going down.
Can I just go back to 1?
Yeah. Wonder what this replaced.
I like the back wall.
Yeah, it looks very nice.
First floor.